In this video, we are gonna talking about how to code a C or C++ in Visual Studio Codes. So now the important things to realize that the VS Code is just a code editor, like a Sublime or a many more code editor. So it don't care that what language we are writing our code. So we are gonna need a surrounding a tool, especially a compiler, which will take a C or C++ compiler that into an executable program. So the first step what we're gonna do is we have to go to the favorite browser and type homebrew. Click on homebrew. From here we can copy this command and put into the terminal. So we need to install that after clicking enter. So it will ask you for the passwords. Put that, it will start automatically running. So after installing this command, again we have to download a Visual Studio Code by opening into the favorite browser. So go to the website called Visual Studio Code. From here we have to click on this line, as you can see that. So yeah, here you can see there is a lots of options are available here. So according to your machine, you have to install it from there, download it from there. So for Mac OS, you have to download for Apple Silicon or Intel chip. So after you have to download it from here, the Visual Studio Code by clicking on the download button. I'm already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it, but you can download it from here. So I'm gonna directly open this browser, VS Code. And after opening the VS Code, we have to go to the extension tab, and you have to download some extension for running your program. Or so first extension I'm gonna download is C and C++. as you can as you can see here. So you have to download this extension, and then after another extension is Code Runner. As you can see that you have to download this extension also. It will help you to running your code. And then after you have to download theme extension, C++ theme extension. What they will do is your it will make your code lucrative. So you need to download this one also. After doing this, we also need some compiler to run our program. So for download your compiler, we must have to download brew gcc. For downloading the compiler, we have to put a command brew install gcc. So after click on the enter button, it's start downloading. So like how do you check for Mac OS is usually use the clang version. So how do you check our compiler is installed or not? So by putting the command clang slash version, we can check that whether the our compiler is installed or not. For C we have to run the command clang version, and for C++ we have to run the command clang plus version. So as you can see that we are already installed the clang version for the C++ compiler 15.00. So close it from there and again come back to the Visual Studio Code, and we are trying to run our code. So we are gonna some open our file and try to run our program from here. So from here we can try to run our up any program. So click on run button in terminal. As you can see that it's asking, we have to give some input for that. If we'll give 1 and enter, it will give you the value of n is 1. So we are able to run this program, as you can see that in the Visual Studio Code. So please do like my video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.